Alright, so today we are going to test a previous problematic area. Turning right here from the parking lot of Noodles and Company here in Columbia Heights, turning right on Central Avenue has been a long-standing pain point for FSD, where it will turn right on Central, but it will jump into the shoulder. It's got a very wide shoulder, and it uses that as a lane of traffic, which then requires a disengagement. So the last release I tried this with was 69.25.2. It worked, but we had a lot of tall snowbanks. We still have the snowbanks, but they're not as high this time, so we're going to give it a shot and see how it does. So I'm going to fast forward to when I'm ready to engage, and we'll go from there. Alright, this is attempt number 1 here. Got a car approaching from our left here. He is in our lane, so we are inching out, but stopping short as we should be. Alright, we'll have a window here after this car. Let's see if it goes. And again, it visualizes the shoulder there. The snowbanks aren't tall enough this time around for it to show. So I'm going to consider that a pass. I'm going to spin back around here, hopefully avoid some of these massive potholes we have here. And we'll give this another shot here. So I'll fast forward. All right, this is round 2 here. Let's give this a shot. And again, the car does not use the shoulder. So 2 for 2 here. I'm gonna go back here and try once more, and then we will summarize our results. All right, this is round 3 here. We are clear on our left here, so let's see if it goes. All right. And again, it avoids the shoulder as it should. So you saw it kind of want to go over there and use it, and then it backed off and went to the left. So again, so to summarize here, 3 out of 3 times the car entered the proper lane and did not use the shoulder. So for now, I'm going to consider version 11 having fixed this issue completely. As the snow melts and, as the future builds come out of version 11, we will be retesting this to confirm this issue stays fixed. But this has been a very annoying issue for the longest time, where the car will get in that shoulder and then basically come to the stoplight where it's still in the shoulder, thinking it's a lane of traffic. So happy to see yet another issue resolved by version 11. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.